Well, it's me again, y'all. Making bread. Welcome back to Unveil Your Shine, where we talk about pretty much everything. I'm a mental health provider, and I help people with some of everything, right? And so right now, with there being so many obstacles in the world and trials and tribulations that everyone's going through in the world, one of the things that came to mind was, what does your American flag mean? Right? So I've learned, okay, when you go to different areas and when you see a bunch of American flags hanging or put up, you may soon see the Confederate flag, right? And in many cases, the Confederate flag is obviously racist, right? And I say in most cases because you have some people who say, okay, well, Confederate flag means Southern pride and not racism. And maybe it did in the beginning. It's one of those things that came to be, maybe something positive that turned into something negative, right? Maybe. But this is obviously not a history lesson, but when I was doing home-based services, that means going into people's homes and providing therapy, mental health, case management, things like that. One time I had to go to Knox, Indiana, where that is a huge racist area. And at that time, I didn't know any better, but I took heed to all the American flags that were hanging around. So that told me, like, hey, I need to be careful out here, right? And soon after that, my supervisor who sent me out there, he got in trouble for sending me out there because the owner of the company knew what kind of area that was. But neither here nor there. I asked that question, what does your American flag mean? Because it seems like now it means something different for everybody. And I say that because you have different ethnicities who voted for Trump, right? So it's kind of weird because he is a representation of racism, right? So that's something to think about, as different individuals, different ethnicities voted for him. And the main people you see that are racist, right, against other ethnicities, different races, they tend to hold the American flag. They are, red, white, and blue from head to toe, literally, even in their hair. But it's different races. So that's why I asked, what does your American flag mean? When you are posting it up and you see it, you see it in your neighborhood, or you're posting it up and you have it outside, tell me, what does that mean to you, right? Is it just pride in your country? Is it pride in the fact that, okay, you were an immigrant or are an immigrant and you have your American citizenship and you hang the flag up because you're proud that was a big accomplishment for you, as far as, the culture in your family and traditions in your family and things like that, and being the first person to maybe make it to America, right? So these are a lot of things to consider. That's why I asked. It came to mind because I do live in an area where they're happy. They post a lot of American flags. But I will say I have not ran into anyone who has been racist, right, to me or my family, as far as directly this area that I'm in right now. But they do have a lot of American flags everywhere. I'm not saying that certain people aren't, but what I'm saying is it's different now, right? So it's good to know, okay, well, what does that American flag mean to you? I hope that makes sense. It just came to mind as I was driving yesterday and I saw all the different houses with the American flag hanging up. But then I'm like, okay, well, some of these people could have the American flag up because they agree with the war, right? And even then, there's still something wrong with that, because you should not agree with anybody dying for a country. Okay? You shouldn't agree with that. You have a lot of different people dying on both sides. And it's pretty sad. You have mothers and fathers who won't go home to their kids and go home to their husbands and wives. So, or to their parents, right? Even if they're not married and don't have a spouse, don't have kids, they won't be seen again, so that's a horrible thing. And that should be horrible for other people to even think about when you are possibly posting the flag in honor of this war, right? In agreement of this war. So, I hope that makes sense. And I hope you had fun watching me knead this bread or knead this dough that will be bread later on. So tell me what you think. Comment down below. Even if it's a question, right? Question about mental health or question about this specific topic here. But I think it's important for people to talk about this, because right now there are so many videos that are creating more of a divide between the left and the right. It's like, okay, come on, people. But guess what? They're getting views, right? So that's why they keep making it. And then a lot of people succumb to drama. Drama is their biggest thing that they want to be focused on, right? Sometimes focusing on the drama and focusing on the gossip is better than focusing on real life situations that's going on in your own life, right? So it's just a couple things to think about. I think that's a good place to start, mainly too, because I think that question, asking again, what does your American flag mean? I think that gives a chance for people to talk about what their thoughts are, because some people voted for Trump based off of finances. They thought that, hey, that Trump was going to bring more money into, the United States of America. So I think that is something to consider, because Trump is known for, I guess, his good and bad ideas. Tell me what those good ideas have been, as my thought process is that I believe he's filed for bankruptcy a bunch of times. So, I mean, I don't know. Bankruptcy has always been something that has been deemed a negative option in financial decisions. So, unless it's really, really needed, right? So, I think that question will possibly bring about a lot of understanding, but that depends on whether people are interested in actually stating what it means to them. What does their American flag mean, right? So, yeah. So guys, let me know. Have a good one. Be safe. Love, peace, and many blessings to you, and I love you all.